Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is Measure and Compare Lengths, lesson number 9.7, page 469. In the first page, he wants me to measure and record each length. So I'm gonna measure the brush that I have. Guys, the starting point, it has to be on the 0 and it ends at 15. So it's 15 centimeters. Now, next one, the crayon. Starting point is on 0 and it ends at 8, so it's 8 centimeters. Okay, is it easy? Yes. Now let's move on to the next page. How much longer? How much longer, guys? It's like how many more? So I'm gonna subtract. How much longer is the pencil than the crayon? So first I have to measure the pencil, then I'm gonna measure the crayon, then I'm gonna subtract both of them. The pencil was 8 and crayon was 5, so I'm gonna say 8 minus 5 equals 3 centimeters. So the pencil is 3 centimeters longer than the crayon. In number 1, he wants me to measure the length of each object. Complete the number sentence to find the difference between the lengths. And difference means minus also, guys. So let's first measure the straw. Straw is 7, so I'm gonna write 7. And string is 10, so I'm gonna write 10. Let's move it. And if I want to find the difference, it's gonna be 10 minus 7. Guys, don't forget that in subtraction, I have to start with the big number. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. So the string is 3 centimeters longer than the straw. Number 2, the brush is 11. So I'm gonna write 11. And the toothpick is 5. So I'm gonna write 5. How I'm gonna find the difference? 11 minus 5. Guys, count from 5 till you reach 11. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 6 fingers. So the paint brush is 6 centimeters longer than the toothpick. Okay. Now guys, let's move on to the next page. I need you to solve number 3 and 4, then check your answers with me. Number 3, measure the length of each object. Complete the number sentence to find the difference between the lengths. Okay, let's measure the crayon first. Crayon is 8, so I'm gonna write 8. And the yard is 10, so I'm gonna write 10. How I'm gonna find the difference? 10 minus 8 equals 2. So the yarn is 2 centimeters longer than the crayon. Number 4, the string is 9, so I'm gonna write 9. And the paper clip is 5, so I'm gonna write 5. The difference is 9 minus 5 equals 4. So the string is 4 centimeters longer than the paper clip. Okay guys, let's move on to the next page. Number 6, Mark has a rope that is 23 centimeters long. He cuts 15 centimeters off. What is the length of the rope now? Okay, he has 23 and he cut. Cut, guys, means he took. So I'm gonna subtract. I'm gonna say 23 minus 15. I will start with 1s. 3 minus 5, I can do it. So 2 will be 1 and 3 will be 13. 13 minus 5 equals 8 and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So it's 8 centimeters now. Now the yellow ribbon is 15 centimeters longer than the green ribbon. The green ribbon is 29 centimeters long. What is the length of the yellow ribbon? Okay, guys. Yellow ribbon is 15 centimeters longer than the green ribbon. That means yellow is greater than green by 15 centimeters. The green ribbon is 29 centimeters long. So what is the length of the yellow ribbon? So I'm gonna say 29 plus 15. Why? Because yellow is 15 centimeters greater. 9 plus 5 equals 14. I'm gonna write 4 down and 1 up. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So it's 44 centimeters. Number 8. Measure the length of each object. Which object is longer? How much longer? Okay, let's measure the crayon. The crayon is 11, so I'm gonna write 11 next to it. And the yarn is 6, so I'm gonna write 6. So which one is longer? The crayon. So the crayon, and how much longer? So let's find the difference first. 11 minus 6 equals 5. So I'm gonna say the crayon is 5 centimeters longer than the yarn. So I'm gonna say the crayon is 5 centimeters longer than the string, guys. I'm gonna write it. It's not a yarn. Yarn is much thicker. Okay. That's it, guys, for today. Hope you understand the lesson. Love you all. Bye.